Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're going to show you the top 10 most satisfying machines and tools. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. We'd really appreciate it. A very good thing about plastic is that you can mold it into any shape with any strength. But this requires a molding system. Yankang manufactures a variety of plastic water tank blower plants. First of all, the hollowed form of molten plastic is put between the clamps. Clamps are nothing but frames used to give the shape of the water tank. After closing clamps with hydraulic pressure, the air is used to blow the plastic like a balloon. When it gets to form according to the shape of the clamps, the substance is taken out of the plant. The whole procedure takes a few minutes, depending on the plastic layers and the product size. We all know that metal cans are used for packaging purposes. Well, the automatic can body machine manufactures 40 metal cans per minute. First, the print work is done on the metal sheets. Then, both ends of the sheet welded so that they can go into a round cylindrical shape. With auto view technology, the machine detects each can's welding connection line, and using a servo motor, it precisely positions them to the expanding spindle. After body shaping, each can body is transferred to the double squeeze flanging machine to achieve end and top flange of the bodies, then move to the bottom seamer. At last, all the can bodies are turned upside down and exit to the collecting table. In this clip, you will watch the production of heavy bolts and high-strength nuts. Each piece has to pass through cleaning and cutting lines. Then they are heated and pressed by heavy machines to get into the required shape. Finally, by using a lathe, bolts and nuts are precisely crafted for their designed rings. The strength of each piece is tested before finalizing. These special tools are used to construct power plants and large-scale systems, where high strength is required to fix machines and large equipment. Next up, we have the YUANROX 306. A welding machine which can be attached to the production line of can bodies. It has tremendous potential to produce a bulk amount of food and oil containers. Approximately, the machine gives 350 cans per minute. This huge capacity gives manufacturers ease to deal with market demand. Moreover, many sensors precisely hold and shift each can from one manufacturing stage to another. You can also program the machine speed, can size, and welding according to your need. TORNIFUSO is a renowned manufacturer of trapezoidal spindles and Acme spindles. This machine can produce each piece with the most diverse diameters, steps, and lengths, according to drawing or sample for all segments of lifting. You can do anything, like directional movements, attach more machine tools, or even craft more segment rings. For higher quality production, they use SAE 1020 and 1045 materials, ground and polished to ensure high quality, durability, and finish on the spindles. Next, we have RCM's double-axle friction welding machine with comprehensive modeling features. Its unique double-bed structure offers more operational space. The brand new axle housing, clamping, and positioning device ensure precision during welding, while its high-quality hydraulic drive system makes stable drive power output. There is a comprehensive monitoring system that monitors, records, and stores the welding data, which can easily be seen. No doubt, it's a masterpiece. PVC pipes are manufactured by extrusion of raw material PVC. For that, AMUT has designed a new extrusion line that is ideal for high-quality pipes of 500 mm in diameter. Different diameter values can be set according to the demand. Firstly, the raw material is fed to the twin-screw extruder. Upon heating and melting, the yield is extruded through a die to shape a pipe. At last, the individual lines are cooled and then cut to the desired length. The MEBOR's SLH-1200 is a new debarking machine with a butt-end reducing unit and a maximum log diameter. It includes 6 sets of heavy-duty log rotation wheels, variable speed with variable speed debarking feed and log kickers. Also, a 40-foot long butt reduces head with knives and takes power from a 30 horsepower electric motor. The machine is automatic, so you can control it remotely. Ropeways are used for supporting or lifting cable cars, bridges, towers, and even heavy-duty cranes. Before manufacturing, the tensile strength of each wire is measured. These wires are then installed on a stranding machine. This machine draws the cables on a twisting head. For protection purposes, the strand is sprayed with grease. These strands then have to go through a ropeway cage that rotates and ties different strands together. Lastly, the desired diameter and strength are tested again.
Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.